Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Sumit Suvarna. You're watching DESIgnition, and if you're a car guy, you have to check out this place in Bangalore. I'm at Sai Colorium, and if you come here, you'll find a lot of unique cars. When I say unique, obviously you'll find a lot of mass market cars. You'll also find a lot of luxury cars. But most importantly, you'll find vehicles that you have probably never seen in your entire life in the country. I'm talking about vehicles like this one, the 1947 Dodge pickup truck, and many more. Let me show these to you. I'm shooting this video because I want you all to check out the cars that I show you, and if there's any car that you want to know more about, if you want like an in-depth coverage, so to speak, let me know and I'll try and cover that. First up, as I said, we have the 1947 Dodge truck. I'm gonna get to this. It's a pickup truck, and there were like so many different variants of this. This was also supplied to the US military, if I'm not wrong. And once it's restored fully, this is gonna look quite epic. I have never seen this in my life. I've seen this only in movies, obviously. And I don't know if any one of you have seen it. If you have, let me know. I'd like to know what your opinions on this historic vehicle are. Next up, we have the Volkswagen Beetle. I think this is from the 1970s. Again, another car that's gonna be restored back to its glory. You see, this is what they do. They like completely, they work on a car or a truck from ground up, like you see over here. This is a Wagoner, the Duster, and this is another epic vehicle. This is being painted right now. So it's completely sorted out from the inside. When I say the inside, I mean the engine and everything. It's been sorted out already. And now they're painting this, they're restoring this. And my God, look at the size of this. Just how massive is this? It's a 1951 Ford truck. And this too was supplied to the military, the US military, if I'm not wrong. I'm not really sure about it, but I think because I've seen it in the movies. Just look at this. Imagine driving this on our roads. This is humongous.
Why would you say that? What? Humongous what?
Humongous what?
Humongous what?
If you want me to cover this vehicle in depth, let me know. I'll try and do this. And this is the Ertiga. Never mind. And here you see the Ambassador. This is again from the 1970s. This you would have seen a lot. But the next car is really, really cool. I am talking about the Impala. This is simply massive. And I can't wait to check this out once it's completely restored. And I think a lot of you would want to watch a video on this. So I'm going to try and cover this fully, like the entire process, what they're going to be doing with it. I'll try and interview the staff over here. But yes, this is something that really intrigues me. You see, the parts are here. This bumper is that of an Audi, obviously. But Impala! And this you have seen a lot in India. A lot. I don't need to tell you which car that is. But anyway, if you want to get your car serviced, if you want to work on its body, anything that you need on your car, you can come to Sai Colorium. It's in JP Nagar, and they are really good at what they do, because this is one of the very few workshops in the city that have this painting booth. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. Yeah, they have a painting booth over here, and they can service your car, they can work on your body. That's my Honda BRV right there. And you'll see a lot of amazing cars. They also have a car detailing studio, as you can see. I'll do a completely detailed video on the entire workshop as well very soon. And every time you come here, you're going to be welcomed by this little cutie over here. That's Rani. Rani? Yeah. She's always going to be here to welcome you. And I'll just show you the other part of the, it's quite a big workshop. Discovery, Guess which car this is. So you see, they've got literally everything over here. Another car that's being restored. Check this out. You see this? You see this? As I said, it's like a museum, and you'll see cars that you would have probably never seen in your life before, cars that are very expensive. Your average mass market cars, you've got two Altos right here. There's Omni over there. So if you want to service your car, repair it, or if the car's body needs some repairs, I think this is a really good place. I'll try and do a more detailed video about what all services they provide. But yes, this is a wonderful place. It's called Sai Colorium. It's in JP Nagar. And if you want to get your cars fixed, this is a really good option in Bangalore. That was it from my side for today. My name is Sumit Suvarna. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.